Make your warehouse a safer place with blue and red LED forklift safety lights. Designed to alert people of a nearby forklift, scissor lift, order picker, or other warehouse vehicle, and to create a visual barrier around it, as well as indicate the direction of travel and speed of the vehicle. These LED safety lights project eye-catching beams of light onto the floor and supplement backup alarms. Easily adjust each light's projection distance with included stainless steel brackets. The long-lasting LED safety lights have die-cast aluminum housings and shatterproof polycarbonate lenses. With a wide operating range of 10 to 80 volts, they can be powered from any material handling vehicle in your warehouse. You can also see our full selection of LED beacons and work lights at superbrightleds.com. LED lighting for everything.